Welcome to Money Matters. We are a resource for anyone who craves greater financial freedom. Our goal is to give you the best tools, advice, and up-to-date tips and strategies so that you can live your best life. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for up-to-date information. Truth is, guys, that even if you have a full-time job, there's nothing wrong with putting a little extra cash in your pocket. Having an additional income stream means that you can get out of debt quicker or increase your savings and investments. The possibilities are endless. Unless you're already wealthy, who doesn't need extra money? But it gets even better. There is a strong chance that you may be able to make your side hustle into a full-time job. Imagine the possibility of being your own boss, doing something you love that generates you a steady income. If you never thought about this before, 2020 should have opened your eyes. 2020 has led to major instability in our economy, record unemployment, and many businesses have been forced to shut down. The COVID pandemic has shown that life can drastically change in the blink of an eye. While the world has changed, there are still plenty of ways that you can make extra money. Alright, so let's hop into today's topic. We are going to discuss the top 5 side hustles to earn some extra cash. Starting off at number 5, rideshare. Uber or Lyft are the two most common companies that allow you to become a rideshare partner. If your vehicle meets the requirements and you don't mind driving people around, this is one of the most common and flexible side gigs. People always need to get around, and you can do this whenever and wherever you want. It's very possible to make a couple hundred to over 1,000 a week, depending on how often you drive and where you live. Now, COVID may have impacted this side business, depending on where you live, or you might even have health concerns. If that's the case, then you can still make money off your vehicle by renting it to others through Turo or Getaround. In fact, some people have reported that they've been able to make between $500 to $1,000 a month renting out their vehicles. Number 4. Complete tasks and other handy work. Are you handy around the house? Can you assemble that tricky IKEA furniture, set up smart devices, Wi-Fi networks, mount TVs, or fix simple plumbing or electrical issues? If you have these highly desirable skills, then you can sell them on TaskRabbit or similar sites like Handy. Other services you can offer include picking up items, delivering groceries, helping people move, painting, or even landscaping and yard work. Depending on where you live and what you're doing, people have reported earning $1,000 or more per week. Number 3. You can become a freelancer. There are hundreds of platforms to land a freelancing gig, but the best part is that freelancing is incredibly flexible. Let me tell you, there is no shortage of ways to make money from this. Some ways to make money include writing, proofreading, editing videos, graphic design, bookkeeping, and virtual assistant. The sky is the limit when it comes to freelance work. If you have a unique skill to offer, try Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Number 2. Childcare, which is perhaps one of the oldest side hustles. You could babysit for your neighbors when they want to go out or watch your niece or nephew after school. And because you aren't actually running a daycare facility, you don't have to be concerned with any red tape, and you'll probably get paid in cash too. A slight variation of this would be elder care. Many seniors today wish to stay in their homes and require in-home care to assist with daily activities and transportation to their doctor's appointments and other errands. All right, now what you've all been waiting for. The number one side hustle right now. Coming in at number 1, food and package delivery. With many restaurants closed, curfews, and other mandatory shutdowns, people are being encouraged to stay at home and, as food delivery is an essential business, you are an essential worker. Even prior to COVID, delivering food was one of the most popular side hustles. Third parties like Uber Eats, Grubhub, and DoorDash have allowed more restaurants to offer takeout. An awesome benefit of food delivery is that the schedules are flexible, with peak times being during lunch, dinner rushes, and Sundays. Some people have claimed that they've made an average of $18 to $25 per hour, and that's not including tips. Another option or variation of this service includes other forms of shopping for others and package delivery, such as Instacart or Amazon. Instacart is one of the most popular examples of this. Just sign up and work whenever you want. Best of all, you have the option to be only a shopper or to shop and deliver groceries. Amazon captured 45% of all US e-commerce spending in 2019. That's huge! As such, Jeff Bezos and Amazon need people to deliver these products. And that's exactly what Amazon Flex is for. With Amazon Flex, you use your own vehicle, set your own schedule, and Amazon claims that drivers can make between $18 to $25 per hour. If you are thinking in the direction of picking up a side gig to make ends meet or get some extra cash, you likely already have the skills to get started. So what are you waiting for? Go for it! That's all for today's video. Comment below with your thoughts and let us know if we missed anything. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time.